In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use camera tool in Excel. If you want to take a screenshot of the data range, you can do as follows. Select a data range you want. For instance, I selected the data range A1 to B8. Click the camera tool in the quick access toolbar. Then click the location you want to place the screenshot. Then the picture will appear. The data in the picture will change automatically with the original data changing, as you can see. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.